Thank you, Hitesh, my co-commentator in Hindi, and welcome once again to everybody who are listening my voice, who came from this village and from the different parts of this village. Remember, this is the semi-final number 1 of the Megwal Society Cricket Tournament. Edition number 14 is played here at Chandan, Army Cricket Ground, Chandan. Karan, the man in charge of bowling operation. Right arm over the stump, outside the line of off stump, the blade with the soft hand towards deep extra cover region. Ball is crossed over the fence for 4 run. By the virtue of that boundary, score goes up to 40, loss of 3 wickets, and we are in over number 7 rather. We are in over number 7. 40, loss of 3 wickets. The man on strike, Akash. Here comes bowler, right arm over the stump to right-hander Akash. Goach. Avi from us, taken on the half volley, beautifully played along the carpet towards long off region rather. There is a man patrolling in that area who does the fielding, throws to the non-striking end, but not before the batsman have crossed over for a single. Here comes bowler. Right arm over the stump on the middle leg stump. The batsman played with the help of wrist towards deep mid-wicket region. They have taken one. They have gone back for second. Direct hit and run out. Wicket in the form of run out. Outstanding piece of fielding there by a fielder, and outstanding throw to direct hit at the non-striking end, and the batsman was well short of his crease. Lokesh, the fielder, who does an outstanding piece of fielding from the long on region. Right-hander Haris. On strike, wicketkeeper standing up to the stump, a man giving a company to him from the slip cordon, gully point, that's the close in, fielders in the offside. Here comes bowler, right arm over the stump. To right-hander, short of length, outside the off stump, the batsman goes on to back foot, cut it off the back foot with the horizontal bat, finds the field placement right on the edge of 30-yard circle at backward point region, no any chance of run. Here comes bowler. Right arm over the stump, once again short of length delivery, took the outside edge, goes to the short third man region, finds the fielder, no any chance of run. Score stage up to 42, loss of 4 wickets. Here comes bowler, right arm over the stump to right-hander, this time on middle leg stump. The batsman played with the help of wrist with the soft hand towards short mid-wicket region, leg by signal there by umpire Kailash Devpal. And by the virtue of that extra runs, score goes up to 43, loss of 4 wickets, and that was the completion of over number 7. At the completion of over number 7, after winning the toss, electing to bat first, Chandan are 43, loss of 4 wickets. Remember, this is the semi-final number 1.
43
of edition number 14, played here at Army Cricket Ground, Chandan. Deep mid-wicket, long on, 2 boundary rider patrolling in the onside. Deep square leg fielder is also patrolling in his area. Here comes bowler. Taken on the half volley, beautifully played towards long on region, finds the field placement in the form of Bhupat, who stopped that delivery, throws to the non-striking end, but once again, not before the batsmen have crossed over for a single. By the virtue of that, single score goes up to 44, loss of 4 wickets, 4-4. This is the score card telling us. Here comes bowler, right arm over the stump to right-hander. Once again, a good delivery outside the line of off stump. The batsman played with the help of rest towards long off region. Bhupat does all the effort, but he was unable to stop that delivery, and ball is crossed over the fence for 4 run. with that boundary, score goes up to 48, loss of 4 wickets. Here comes bowler right arm over the stump to right-hander. Shot of length outside the off stump. This time the batsman on the back foot wanted to cut it off the back foot with the horizontal bat towards backward point region. Unable to do so, wicket-keeper does the rest of work behind the stump. No addition to the total score stage up to 48, loss of 4 wickets. A chilly wind with the test of sand is blowing in the ground right at the moment. Once again a good delivery. Beats the outside edge of the bat. Wicket-keeper collect behind the stump. No any chance of run. Calm and cool cricket is going on right at the moment. After winning the toss, selecting to bat first, Chandan, 48 for 4. Here comes bowler. Short in length delivery, pulls towards deep mid-wicket region. There is a man patrolling in that area who collect that deliveries and throws to the wicket-keeper's gloves, but not before the batsman have crossed over for a single. With that single, by the virtue of that single, score goes up to 49, just short of 50, 49 for 4. Here comes bowler right arm over the stump to right-hander. Once again played with the soft end towards long on region. A man from the boundary comes in and stop that delivery, but not before the batsman have crossed over for a single. And with that single, score goes up to 50 for 4. And that was the end of over number 8.